Hello everybody, it's me again, Tinashe. Today I'm going to be showing you a few moves to learn there at home. It's a tutorial, breakdance tutorial, so hope you like it. Vote for me. So it's a very simple breakdance tutorial. Breakdancing is made of 4 elements: top rocking, footwork, power moves, and freezes. So I'll just show you some simple steps in each of these 4. Starting off with the top rock. Okay, I'll just do it a bit slow now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Okay, now I'll show you a 6th step, which is very simple floor work, made simple. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I will show you a freeze. It's called a baby freeze. So you take your elbow and plant it like just under your ribs, then you go down and put your feet in the air. Alright, that was all for the tutorial. Keep practicing at home. And now I'm just going to show you a few power moves which are quite hard. Thank you.